Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonelicious and welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm gonna give you some love advice. Yes, love is in the air. So I also heard that someone said that never ask for love advice from a nerd. Well, things are changing. Even nerds are becoming experts in love. The reason is mobile phone companies have started introducing red colored mobile phones. I don't know who termed or who started this trend of red color being associated with love. Somehow something caught on, and now it means that when you're gonna gift your love interest with some memorable gift, it has to be in red color. So let's go ahead and check out some of the red colored mobiles, red colored variant of mobile phones that's available in the market, and I'll help you choose the best based on your budget, and so that you can impress her this Valentine's Day. Alright, so multicolored mobile phones that are not black or white. It all started with, I believe, Nokia Lumia mobile phones. So they are the ones who started this whole trend of jazzy multicolored mobile phones. And now we are seeing mobile phone manufacturers getting onto the bandwagon and introducing jazzy colored mobile phones. So, but then red colored, product red by iPhone was a really head turner, and as usual, any iPhone product is a trendsetter in the market. And this product red started this revolution or redvolution. And we have been seeing a lot of mobile phone companies introducing red colored mobile phones. And when this product red mobile phone was out there, OnePlus 5 was also introduced parallelly in that time. I was expecting OnePlus to come up with a red color variant of their OnePlus 5, but then soon after OnePlus 5 was launched, they jumped on to OnePlus 5T, and OnePlus 5T, voila, we have red color here. They call it the lava red. It looks really good. Looks really good in the picture. I haven't seen it personally, but it really looks good in the picture. I believe it must be good in the real hands as well. OnePlus 5T is a great performer, amazing device, great camera, and it is an all-rounder, amazing battery life, good performance, and all-rounder mobile phone. And it is typically available in midnight black, and there was also a Star Wars edition, and we also have a white colored variant of it. But then this lava red color variant of the OnePlus 5T is season's favorite this year, and go ahead and buy it. This is one of the best mobiles you can buy for your love interest if you're thinking for an all-round mobile phone. If you don't have the budget, if you can't extend above 30k or 40k, you do have some options in the mid-range segment as well. Honor 7X. Honor is a company which is known for its blue color variants. Honor 8 has a fantastic blue color. I loved that mobile phone just for the color and the design. And now we have this Honor 7X. The blue color variant in Honor 7X is also equally good, but then this red color is also a very good looking, attractive color variant of the Honor 7X. It's a limited edition mobile phone. It's not going to be available extensively. I'll leave the links below in the description so that you can go and grab it whenever it is out there for sale. Honor 7X has the EMUI skinned on top of Android version on it, so I think it will be soon updated to Android Oreo as well. But if your love interest, or if you are looking for a phone that is not a skin UI, and if you're a fan of stock Android, you must go and check out the MI-A1. MI-A1 is Xiaomi's first Android One program mobile phone. Means that this is the first mobile that has shed the MIUI skin and come up with Google's direct stock Android on its mobile phone. And this mobile phone has got a fantastic all-round performer in that price segment of under 15k. And it has got a red variant as well. Looks amazing, looks gorgeous. I'm a big fan of red color. Love or no love, I love red color. So MI-A1 is another choice for you. So, and then if your love interest is a selfie freak or mildly putting it selfie fan, go ahead and check out the Vivo V7 Plus. There's a small problem with the Vivo V7 Plus, not about the mobile phone. It's a good mobile phone, great battery life and good selfies on it. But it's got the signature of some person called Manish Malhotra. I don't know. It really sounds weird to gift your love interest with a signature of someone else on the mobile phone. Whenever your lover is going to look at the mobile phone, she or he is going to be reminded about some other person's name on it. sounds really weird. I wouldn't go for it. Vivo V7 Plus. But then Oppo F5 has got a fantastic red color. All of BBK's mobile phone, Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus have all got this red color seasonal color variant of their mobile phones. Oppo F5 looks gorgeous in red. Last year we saw the Diwali edition of Oppo being launched in the Oppo F3, but now we have this Oppo F5, looks gorgeous, takes amazing selfie, but then it's not a great performance. It's a mid-range mobile phone. If you still don't have the budget for all the mobile phones I mentioned in the list, and if you're really tight on your budget, you can actually check out this Intex Alight Dual. It's available in a color variant called the Royal Red. I have used the Intex Alight Dual mobile phone. It's got a front dual camera and the back camera is also okay for the price range. It's got a Spectrum processor, not a great performing mobile phone, but on this price segment, a good looking mobile phone with interchangeable batteries and dedicated SD card slot. Looks good, and it's also good for that price range. If you're looking for specifically if you're on the market to buy a mobile phone in that price range of under 7,000 rupees and you want a red color variant, go ahead and buy it. But if you're really constrained on your budget, if you don't want to spend anything more than $1,000 and your love interest already has a mobile phone, just buy her a snap-on back case which is red colored and gift it along with a bunch of roses. So that's all I would say. I always trust on this brand called Nilkin for their back cases. They have really good looking back cases and they have a nice looking back case in red color for the OnePlus 5T. Again, links below in the description. So I hope this video was useful to you. So if you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel for delicious. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar wishing you a nice Valentine's Day. Goodbye.